sunrise, deep in fertile tropical farmland, the banana harvesting journey begins.
Mature banana bunches are selected, ensuring perfect size, quality, and freshness. The heavy bunch is carefully cut to avoid any damage.
Teamwork ensures the bananas are protected from bruising at every step.
Freshly harvested bananas are transported swiftly.
The journey continues from farm to factory, where precision meets technology. Upon arrival, every batch is recorded and inspected.
Little dry modes, like a share banana, a shed load will power this bunch. The bunches are divided into hands for easier handling and processing.
Survives. A gentle wash removes dirt, sap, and field residue.
Each banana is carefully inspected to meet strict quality standards.
Once we have to help and decorate the receivers, they're merely defeated. Improvement of the bananas move forward in the process.
Precision sorting ensures uniformity for global markets.
Every banana is packed with care to preserve its natural quality.
Modern systems streamline efficiency and hygiene. From precise sealing to intelligent scanning, every package moves with accuracy and care. The result? Clean, secure, and ready for the world. Right on time.
Bananas has many of the complete in management. Preventively festival, refraction bananas led, and congregated controlled storage keeps bananas fresh and green.
First light over tropical fields, to careful hands at harvest, to chilled containers crossing oceans, and meticulous checks at bustling ports. Each step protects the flavor and freshness we crave.